How to log in Bank of America. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. To log in into your Bank of America account, you can visit the website of Bank of America. All you have to do is type in bankofamerica.com. From here, you'll be automatically redirected to the official website of it. To log into it, it is pretty simple. Enter your user ID and your password, then select on Login button. If you have forgotten any of the credentials, select on Forgot your password. You'll be redirected to a next portal. To recover your account, you can easily add your card or account number and even your SSN or your TIN. If you don't have it, select on Don't Have. Now in that case, you can enter your ATM or debit card number or debit card or ATM PIN to recover. Tap on Contact Us if neither of this option is visible for you. In that case, you can call the support of Bank of America and discuss your issue. Follow the instruction provided to you by the instructor or the Bank of America customer support, which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.